Pwede kang maging millionaire kahit wala ka pang malaking ipon. Pero may tatlong bagay na kailangan nating baguhin. Hindi ito tungkol sa swerte, hindi ito tungkol sa loto. It's about these three things. Number 1, mindset. Most of us grew up thinking money is for spending. Pag may pera, gastos. That has to change. Money is a tool. You use it to build more money. Ganon ang iniisip ng mga millionaire. Number 2, habits. Millionaires are boring. Grabing ka-boring. In a good way. They wake up early, they track their money, they invest consistently, walang drama, walang excuses, just consistent action. And they make it automatic every single month. And number 3, assets. This is the big one. Stop buying things that make your money go poof. Start buying things that go up, and better yet, cash flow. Real estate, stocks, business. Your income is not your wealth. Your assets are. Yang kotse mo, not an asset. Yung bahay mo, now we're talking. Mindset, habits, assets. Tatlong bagay, and wala dito ang malaking sweldo. Kailangan lang ng tamang sistema. Follow me for more wealth building tips para sa atin.